Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create a semi-log graph right inside Google Sheets. Whether you're working on a school project, visualizing scientific data, or just need to analyze numbers that change rapidly, knowing how to make a semi-log graph can be a real game changer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to transform your raw data into a clean, easy-to-read semi-log plot, and I'll even share a few tips to make sure your chart looks sharp and professional. Alright, let's dive straight in. First things first, make sure you have your data ready in a Google Sheet spreadsheet. Usually you'll have one column for your X values and another for your Y values. Take a moment to select the data you want to plot. A quick drag with your cursor should do the trick. This might seem basic, but being sure you've grabbed the right range will save you a lot of hassle down the line. Now with your data highlighted, head up to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, choose Chart. Google Sheets will automatically create a chart based on your selection, and most of the time it'll default to a column chart, but that's not quite what we're after. We want a line chart to show our trends clearly, so over on the right in the Chart Editor panel, find the option for Chart Type and switch it over to Line Chart. You'll see your data instantly redraw into that classic zigzag form. Here, where it starts getting fun, we're going to customize the axes so your data is displayed on a logarithmic scale, which is what makes it a semi-log graph. Click on the Customize tab in the Chart Editor. If you're not sure where that is, look near the top on the right side of your screen. It's usually the second tab. Now let's say you want to make your x-axis logarithmic. Maybe your data spans several orders of magnitude, like years or concentrations. Click Horizontal Axis, then look for the setting labeled Log Scale. Toggle this on. What this does is compress the scale for those huge jumps in your data, making exponential trends much easier to see. Don't worry if your chart looks a bit strange for a second, that's just Google Sheets recalculating the intervals. If you're also interested in making the vertical axis logarithmic, for example, if both your variables change exponentially, then click on Vertical Axis and toggle Log Scale there as well. When you adjust each axis, your chart will update in real time, so take a look and check if the pattern matches what you expect. If your data suddenly disappears or looks odd, double-check that you don't have any zeros or negative values, since log scales can't display those. Once your axes are set up, it's time to make your chart look great. Head back into the customization options. You can change the line color, add data point markers, adjust the font size, or add labels and chart titles. If you want play around here, the goal is to make your graph clear and easy for others to understand at a glance. Remember, a good-looking chart helps your data tell its story, so don't skip this step. And that's it, you've just created a semi-log graph in Google Sheets from scratch. It might seem intimidating at first, but practice a couple times and it'll become second nature. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.